In today's episode of the Chicago Griller, I'm going to be sharing what might possibly be the easiest method of grilling mussels on your Weber Q, or any gas grill for that matter. To begin, I've got 500 grams of mussels that I've picked up from Whole Foods. I've cleaned them and rinsed them under cold water, but now I need to sort them. So what I gotta do is find any mussels with cracked or broken shells and simply discard them. Likewise, I'm going to look for any mussels that are open, kind of like this guy here. Now, flick that shell a couple of times with your finger. If the mussel closes, keep it. If it stays open, it's dead and throw it in the trash. My mussels are now all sorted, so let's head on back out to the grill. Today, I'll be demonstrating this cook on my Weber Q1200. What I'm going to do is I'm going to crank the gas up to high and pop the ignition for preheating. I'll now toss on a foil pouch with some wood chips so that I could get some good smoke going. I'll now shut the lid and let this preheat for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're ready to grill. Adjust your gas knob on your grill to medium, and then shift your smoke pouch to the side if you're using one, just so that you have more surface area to grill on. Now one final prep step before we load up our grill full of mussels. Grab a grill brush and scrape your grates clean. Alright, we are all set now, so grab your mussels and place them directly on your grill grates. Make sure they're not stacked on top of each other and that they lay flat in a single even layer across your grill. Once all your mussels are on board and you're all set, shut the lid and let cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, open up the lid to your grill and you should find that all your mussels have opened up. If by chance at this point you find any mussels that are still closed, give it another minute or so. If it's still closed after that minute, just throw it out. As for the rest of them, pull them off the grill and plate them up and enjoy. Seriously though, was that not the easiest grilled mussel recipe you've ever seen? That said, what can you do with these guys? I mean, they seem a little plain because we didn't season them at all before they hit the grill. One idea is you could add this on top of pasta with sauce, or another option I could recommend is serve it as an appetizer. Grab a toothpick and pull the meat out of its shell. Now grab some melted garlic butter, dip, swirl, and enjoy. Good. There is no wrong way to enjoy grilled mussels. Let me know in the comments down below what your preference is. Thank you very much as always for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you all again next time. Bye.